Girls notice hair first. If your hair looks flat, thin, greasy, or weak, you already lost points before you even spoke. So here are 15 rules that keep your hair thick, healthy, and attractive. Let's start. Rule 1, clean your scalp properly. Sweat, dirt, and oil block follicles. Blocked follicles leads to shedding. Shampoo cleans, that's it. No magic growth claims. Massage gently with fingertips for 60-90 seconds. Cold or normal water only. Hot water weakens roots. Rule 2, use the right shampoo. Oily scalp, salicylic acid or tea tree. Dandruff, ketoconazole. Normal scalp, sulfate-free. The wrong shampoo destroys everything else you do. Rule 3, don't overwash. If you barely sweat, shampoo 2-3 times per week. Heavy sweat or gym daily, use a mild daily shampoo. Too much washing removes natural protection, which causes more oil and instability. Rule 4, conditioner protects. Shampoo strips moisture. Conditioner restores strength and prevents breakage. Only mid-length to ends, never scalp. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Actually let it work. Rule 5, wet hair is weak hair. Wet hair breaks 5 times easier. Don't scrub with a towel. Pat dry gently. Microfiber towel helps reduce friction. If blow drying, cold air, distance from scalp. Hot air is slow. Invisible hair loss. Rule 6, oils and serums stay off scalp. Your scalp already produces the most oil on your entire body. Extra oil creates dandruff and hair fall. 2 to 3 drops only on the hair ends after shower. Monthly scalp massage is fine. Wash after 45 minutes. Rule 7, brush smart. Rule 8, heat destroys hair silently. Straighteners, curlers, hot blow drying, all break keratin. You won't notice today, but harsh lighting will expose you later. If you insist on heat protectant, lowest temperature, finish fast. Rule 9, fix hard water. Minerals block moisture and make hair look greasy and rough at the same time. Install a shower filter. Rule 10, protein builds new hair. Hair is mostly protein. Low protein equals weak growth. Daily sources, eggs, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, lentils, beans, nuts. You want thick hair? Then feed it. Rule 11, micronutrients support shine and strength. Vitamin C improves iron absorption, thicker strands. Vitamin D activates sleeping roots. Zinc prevents shedding. Eat spinach, broccoli, berries, oranges. Sun exposure, 10-20 minutes daily. Rule 12, hydration plus sleep. Dry scalp leads to flakes and breakage. Drink 2 liters daily. Sleep 7 to 9 hours so hair repairs during the night. Scrolling at 3 a.m. is destroying both your hair and your discipline. Rule 13, stress attacks your follicles. High stress forces hair into the shedding phase. Breakups, exams, money panic. That's why shedding happens. Manage stress. Your hair will literally stop falling. Rule 14, blood flow is growth. Follicles survive on blood. No movement leads to starving roots. Cardio 2 to 3 times per week. Scalp massage 3 to 4 times per week. Motion equals thicker growth. Rule 15, weave style to protect your value. Clay, wax, gel only on hair, never scalp. Wash out before bed. Volume at the front means you look younger. Avoid tight slick backs if temples are thinning. Style to hide weaknesses and highlight strengths. Bonus tips, fast wins. Cold shower finish boosts shine and circulation. Silk or satin pillowcase cuts breakage while sleeping. Rinse sweat out after gym. Don't let it dry into dandruff. Monthly photos under harsh lighting to track real progress. Rotate hats. Don't crush the same areas daily. These are silent upgrades. Nobody sees the habit, everyone sees the results. And reality check. Your hair is a status signal. It tells the world you're young, healthy, and disciplined. Every day your hair is either getting better or getting worse. There is zero maintenance, only progress or decline. In 2 years, you will either look in the mirror and think, damn, I upgraded. Or, what happened to me? Smart guys act early. Average guys wait until they're exposed. So protect your hair now. Protect your confidence, stay sharp, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.